Hello, in front of me I have CUBOT X19 and I'm gonna show you how to hard reset this device by using the system settings. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu and here tap on the settings icon. And settings, scroll down and select the system. Here tap on the advanced and then select reset options. Now let's tap on erase all data. Here tap on reset phone and finally tap on erase everything to confirm and start the resetting process. And now let's wait. And at this point the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.